The Environmental Protection Authority is ringing the alarm on a silent but deadly threat: antimicrobial resistance, driven in part by pollution in water, air, and soil. According to the EPA, bacteria and viruses are gradually becoming resistant to antibiotics, creating a looming health crisis. The authority attributes this growing resistance to multiple factors, including environmental contamination. Professor Manama Brown-Kluche is chief executive of the EPA.
So there are bacterials, they are in the system, they are in the air, they are in the water we drink, they are in the food that we eat. So they are in the environment, and we need to be prepared on how we can protect the people and the environment as against that. So the EPA has taken it up as an emerging issue, and we are having discussions within about it. And we are doing the awareness as well to the people, and so those who are selling food, the food vendors, those who are treating our water bodies, and even for air quality measurement, we are looking at all of these areas for these antimicrobial issues.
Chairman and ranking member of the Parliamentary Select Committee on Environment, Science and Technology are promising improved funding to help the authority scale up efforts.
EPA moving from an agency to authority must be clothed with the necessary funding so they can perform the additional responsibilities bestowed on them from the transition from agency to authority. And what is this thing that we are talking about? It's about money.
They have been given more responsibility to carry out. We're expecting them to do that. So as a committee, we are ready to support them to realize their dreams.
At the National Biosafety Authority, another concern emerged. Unapproved genetically modified organisms are being found on the market. In view of this, Chief Executive of the NBA, Kwame Dey Asamoah Ochre, proposed corrective measures to curb the situation.
4 key challenges that we believe the committee can help us address. So the first one is the presence of unapproved GMOs on the market, and this results in exposure of the public and the environment to potential harms. Since we haven't had risk assessments of these products, we really cannot affirm in terms of their safety. So in terms of the corrective measures, we're looking at integrating our import and export workflows into the ICOMS, the Integrated Customs Management System. As we sit in that gateway, we'll be able to see all that is coming and all that is going, so that if there's anything, at the moment we are not there.
From drug resistance to food safety, Ghana's regulators say the threats are clear, but without money, solutions remain out of reach.